Great white pelican. The great white pelicans are found mainly in the coasts of Eurasia. They largely consume fish and other sea creatures. Lately, a great white was shot at a London park, catching a live pigeon in its massive jaws, before swallowing the bird alive. Not many avians can simply swallow another bird completely. Vulturine guinea fowl. These creepy birds are capable of capturing and killing small mammals. Their appearance is really horrifying, with sharp beaks and snake-like featherless heads. With bright red eyes, they are extraordinarily creepy game birds. Anhinga. Commonly called the snake birds, they are black with razor-sharp bills and can make eerie growling sounds. Their strange habits and disconcerting appearance have sparked much superstition and folklore. Hood mockingbird. Belonging to the thrasher family of birds, the hood mockingbird survives by drinking the blood of young seabirds while they lie in their nests. They are mainly found in the dry Galapagos Islands of Ecuador. The sharp, curved beak is well fitted to this grim feeding method. Vampire finch. Vampire finch approach adult and juvenile birds of all sizes with its sharp beak. This bird grasps on with its feet, then gash the other birds and drink their blood. It appears to be a little songbird, but it can turn into a vampire at any time. Greater honey guide. Greater honey guide guides humans to honey so the people can break open the hive. Similar to cuckoos, these birds appear featherless from eggs laid in songbird nests. Its ghoulish bill hook attacks and kills the other young nest mates. African crowned eagle. The African crowned eagle is said to be a man-eater. Their primary diet consists of sizable monkeys. Recently, the African crowned eagle has attacked a 7-year-old child on the way to school. An observer intervention was needed to save the child from the eagle's grasp. Great grey shrike. The great grey shrike looks like a cute songbird. They can even mimic the calls of songbirds and attract its prey. The shrikes can drag the prey to the nearest thorn bush or barbed wire and stab it forcefully on the object to tear the prey apart and then consume. Antarctic giant petrel. The Antarctic giant petrel weighs about 18 pounds and has a wingspan of 7 feet. Whole adult penguins and the big young of huge emperor penguins are caught by this horrible, yellow-eyed marine bird with the form of a large gull or demonized albatross. Marabou stork. Marabou storks are truly the most frightening of all living birds. They are the largest birds on the earth, with a height of 5 feet and with a wingspan reported to extend over 10 feet. They are called the undertaker birds due to their large size and their feeding habits. They make horrible croaking sounds as they hunt predators away from their kills. These birds have killed children who approached them.